Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we'll see how to use trusted networks in Cloud Secure. Let's get started. Sometimes we want our service tunnels to be connected when the user logs in. We do this configuration within the service tunnel itself. When we edit the bottom part, we see the option to connect at login. This will ensure that when the user who can connect to this service tunnel, in our case the user Erica, logs in, we'll see how the tunnel connects automatically and Erica automatically has access to whatever she has permissions to access. However, we can also find a situation where users move to networks and let's say we want them to have local access. We have an option in the configuration within the Networks menu and here in Trusted Networks, where we define exactly that behavior. We define that when the application detects the MAC address of the gateway of the network we have configured, or network or networks, the tunnel will not be established. In this case, to show you, we are going to use, I am not currently using this firewall as a gateway, but we are going to change that. We are going to copy the MAC address, which is my gateway, and we are going to paste it here. We click that we do want this functionality to be applied and no changes to the client or anything. If we log out of the user and log back in, we will see that the client will indeed start and connect. Now what we are going to do is change the properties of the network interfaces. The object or firewall that has IP 8080 is on the Ethernet 2 and Ethernet 3 interfaces, which is the one I am using right now. So we are going to deactivate it and we are going to put gateway 1216880 here. We save the changes and let's say that my PC is going out through this internet outlet. If we click on relogin, this would be if the user is at home. The next day the 24 hours that we have as the default session limit have not yet passed, then what the user will do when the application detects connectivity is relogin. If the session is within this time it will work. Let's force it by clicking on relogin. And if we launch the client, we will see that the login has been made there. There it is. And yet we see that it tries to connect, it pretends to connect, but it does not connect. And with this we achieve that in this case the user Erica, assuming that she is within the network, can access directly and not go through the cloud services. Well, that's all I had for today, a short video. Thank you very much to everyone as always, and if you have anything, comments in the comments box. Thank you very much. Yeah.